In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Dropbox team in just about 5 minutes. If you've been considering ways to streamline collaboration and share files effortlessly within a group setting, then being part of a Dropbox team can be a truly transformative choice. Let's dive right in and get you started. First, we need to navigate to the Dropbox business section designed specifically for teams. This platform is built to provide you and your collaborators an efficient and secure way to work together. Once you're there, you'll notice an invitation to start a free trial. This is a fantastic opportunity to explore Dropbox's team features without any commitment. So go ahead and click on Start Your Free Trial. This opens up a door to numerous features and possibilities waiting for you on the other side. Continuing with the sign-up process, you'll be given an option to continue with Google. This is incredibly convenient if you want to streamline your login processes and use your existing Google account credentials. Simply click on Continue with Google and you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use. Be sure to select the account you intend to use for your business or team purposes for a smoother experience. After selecting your account, you'll be redirected to try Dropbox Business Plus for companies. It's here where you start tailoring your Dropbox experience to fit your team's needs. One of the first steps in this customization process is choosing a team name. Think of something that reflects your team's identity or the project you're working on. It's a small detail, but having a unique team name can make your Dropbox space feel more personalized and professional. During this setup process, Dropbox will ask you to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure you take a moment to review these. It's crucial to be well informed about the platform's usage policies. Once you've done that, proceed by clicking the box to acknowledge your agreement, then press Start Free Trial. Now here comes a part that requires a bit of reflection. Choosing the option that best describes your team size or structure. If you're flying solo or establishing a new venture, Just Me might be the suitable choice. This option is flexible and serves as a good starting point, allowing you to scale up as your team grows. After making your selection, you may encounter a few additional setup steps, such as the option to add more team members right away or customize your Dropbox further. However, if you prefer to familiarize yourself with the platform first before making those decisions, you can click Skip for now. These steps are designed to refine your Dropbox for Business experience, but they can wait until you're ready. Finally, after skipping the optional setup steps, you'll arrive at the heart of your new Dropbox team space. Here is where the collaboration truly begins. To get your team on board, click on Invite people to join your team. You'll have the option to add the emails of your team members, simplifying the process of bringing everyone into the fold. If preferred, a personal message can be included with your invitation to provide context or a warm welcome to your team space, and there you have it. Once you click Invite, you and your team are ready to start exploring all the powerful collaboration tools Dropbox has to offer. Remember, Dropbox is designed to grow with your team, so feel free to adjust and explore features as your project evolves. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you and your team harness the power of Dropbox to make collaboration smoother and more effective. Happy team building, and here's to the success of your projects.